Why does this predator only eat 12 times a year? Most hunters eat daily. The Komodo dragon? Once a month. When it catches prey, its jaws unhinge. It swallows everything whole. Meat, bones, even hooves. In one meal, it eats 80% of its body weight. Imagine eating 400 Big Macs in one sitting. Here's the crazy part. After eating, its entire body shuts down. It slows, movement stops. Enters a month-long food coma just digesting. One meal, 30 days. Done.